dirt bike seat cover install right now. 1/4-inch staples. See this little marker here? That's the center line. So then it's nice to cut off some of the excess. We have a couple seats. Moto seat makes our custom seat covers here to match our custom bike builds. And so they're usually cut pretty well and fit pretty easy. And we got a good staple gun. This helps a lot. It's called Duo Fast. That's the staple gun right there that we use. It helps a ton. It's electric. This is one we find, and that what he uses at Moto seat. So I've always learned, use what the pros use. Our staples we use, just 1/4-inch staples for the Duo Fast gun. So our foam is, this is a brand new bike, so the foam's really nice. It's a Kawasaki project, and so I like to make sure get it fit in here real nice and tight. And I'm gonna come in here and start right about there. Just gonna put in a couple staples like that. You don't want to pull it too tight on this initial deal. He gives you a, see this little marker here? That's the center line. So that gives you something to gauge to center it well. Now we're gonna pull the sides, and I like to pull them and kind of just get a visual of how it's looking here. This side's coming over further, so I'm probably gonna work with this side first. Pull it over a little bit like that. This is how Travis does it. So my fingers are walking it in. Travis is the owner of Moto Seat. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing. You see it's getting all the any ripples out of here. I'm gonna pull on this side. With some friendly fire. Not bad. We're looking pretty good. I can see I got a little bit more material here, so I'm going to pull from this side first. Okay, we're out of staples. Let's swap out staples. We'll give you a little lesson how easy that is. That's it. Now, before I finish this back, I'm going to bring this on over. Looking pretty good. We got a go grease mark there. We'll wash that out. Okay, we're looking really good on how tight we are. So now I'm going to pull the seat like this. I don't do nearly as many seat covers as I do tires. This side has a little less material, so I'm going to work with this corner first. I get to the corner. I'm going to walk it on. Not too bad, right, Rattle?
Pretty good.
Gap in here. I wonder how much I can get in here. Yeah. That's not bad. Get in there. There we go. So I can add a couple staples where I got kind of some bigger gaps right here. I'm going to pull it. It's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Look at that. Okay, let's clean that up. It's nice to cut off some of the excess so it doesn't catch like in places like that. See if somebody didn't have this on their bike right. So you make sure that it's not blocking things like this, areas where it's going to go into the catch in its mount. So it's free there. Up here you want to make sure that there's no chance that it's catching you, messing you up from, you know, getting on correctly. So it's clear there. Look around for spots like that. Every bike's a little different, so hopefully that'll help you out. Booyah. All right, so that's it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. If you have the right tools and a good seat cover, that's all there is to it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Custom build day, new cover, no slip. Let's go.
Project bikes line wall to wall. Grippy is the rule, not optional. Warm it up, stretch it tight. Find that center line, make it right. Heat it, pull it, staple to the pan. No more slide, full control in the sand. Moto seat, stripes and rims, the perfect fit. 133 colorways to meet. Lock me in, I won't miss a beat. Moto seat, Moto seat. Travis left SoCal for desert light. Havasu waves and late night rides. Lower cost customs rolling out clean. Jet ski mornings building seats for the team. Wrap it smooth, pull the wrinkles flat. Snap the nose and the rear, just like that. Moto seat, stripes and rims, the perfect fit. 2, 3, 4-stroke vintage, modern street or fleet. Even quads, yeah, they're covered sweet. Moto seat, Moto seat. From Stargate slick to Rocky Heat, a slippery saddle can't compete. Jay's got tools since the move to AZ. He'll tack it down tight, DIY is easy. Moto seat, grip for days and race ready neat. Custom builds demand the elite. Lock in, lean in, and feel that seat. Moto seat, Moto seat.